If you run a web design agency, freelance business, or manage client websites, choosing the wrong hosting provider can cost you time, money, and clients. Because here's the truth. Cheap, low-quality hosting can lead to slow websites, downtime, security issues, and support headaches your clients blame you for. But the right agency hosting can help you manage multiple client websites easily, speed up workflow, improve website performance, offer premium hosting as a service, increase monthly recurring revenue, and save hours of support time. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best agency hosting providers right now based on performance, ease of managing multiple websites, white label features, client tools, support, pricing, and overall value. And if you want the best deals on any of the hosting providers I mentioned, I'll have links in the description below. Quick disclosure, those are affiliate links, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest pricing available. Let's get into it. Number 1, Hostinger, best overall value for agencies. If you want the best mix of affordability, performance, and the ability to host many client websites, Hostinger is hard to beat. Their plans let you host multiple websites, and you can get strong speed performance with NVMe storage, light speed servers, caching, and an easy dashboard. Why agencies like it: low monthly cost, great profit margins if reselling hosting, easy WordPress installs, strong speeds, free SSL, staging tools on higher plans, beginner-friendly dashboard. For most agencies, I'd start with the business plan because it gives you excellent value, enough resources for multiple client websites, and strong performance. If you're growing fast or managing larger client sites, Cloud Startup is the better upgrade. If you're building client sites on a budget or want maximum return on investment, this is one of the smartest choices. Number 2, SiteGround, the best premium agency hosting. If your clients expect premium service, fast support, and strong performance, SiteGround is excellent. They run on Google Cloud infrastructure, have powerful caching, staging, backups, and great customer support. For smaller agencies, Grow Big is usually the best starting point. If you manage more websites or want extra performance and premium features, GoGeek is the stronger choice. Why agencies use it: premium brand image, excellent support, strong speed, easy staging, daily backups, good for higher paying clients. If you charge premium prices, SiteGround can help justify that. Number 3, Cloudways, best for serious agencies. If you manage lots of client websites and want more control with managed cloud hosting, Cloudways is a strong option. You can choose providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS. For most agencies getting started, the entry DigitalOcean plan is a smart choice. If your client sites grow or need more resources, you can scale it up in just a few clicks. Why agencies love it: scalable hosting, fast speeds, great dashboard, team collaboration, backups, staging, more power than shared hosting. Perfect if your agency is growing. Number 4, WP Engine, best for WordPress agencies. If you specialize in WordPress client websites, WP Engine is a premium managed WordPress host. For smaller agencies, their startup plan can work well. If you manage multiple client websites and need more resources, moving into higher tier plans makes more sense. Why agencies choose it: excellent WordPress performance, security tools, staging environments, agency partner programs, reliable uptime, premium client experience. Great for agencies focused only on WordPress. Number 5, Bluehost, best for beginners starting an agency. If you're new to web design or just starting your agency, Bluehost can be a solid beginner-friendly option. For most agencies, I'd skip the lowest plan and look at a higher tier option that supports multiple websites so you have room to grow. Simple dashboard, WordPress friendly, affordable starting plans, easy to use. Good if you're starting small and want simplicity. Which agency hosting should you choose? Here's my quick recommendation. Best overall value, Hostinger. Best premium option, SiteGround. Best scaling option, Cloudways. Best WordPress agency hosting, WP Engine. Best beginner option, Bluehost. One of the smartest moves agencies make is charging monthly hosting plus maintenance retainers. For example, website hosting, updates, backups, security, support. That can turn one-time web design projects into recurring monthly income. If I were starting an agency today, I'd probably go Hostinger for affordability and margins, SiteGround for premium clients, Cloudways for growth and scale. If you want the best discounts on any of these hosts, check the links in the description below. And if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.